This is an arthroscopic photograph of a rotator cuff repair of the shoulder, and here you can see a torn rotator cuff. You can see the white tendon, and in here you can see the hole where the tendon's been torn away from the bone. And these photographs demonstrate the arthroscopic rotator cuff repair, where we have now placed sutures and we have, through the scope, repaired this tendon back to the bone. So this demonstrates an arthroscopic rotator cuff repair. This is arthroscopic photographs of a surgery that I did, and it's a good representation of what we find at surgery. This is a picture of a bone spur that we see that's pressing on the tendon down here, and this is a high-speed burr that we use to basically remove this bone spur. And here's the picture of now that this bone spur has been smoothed away and there's nothing that can rub on the tendon. This is a picture of a rotator cuff tear, and we can see that this tendon edge up here has been pulled away from the bone down here. And so what we have to do then is to go sew this back in, and we're able to do that arthroscopically through the scope. And here you can see we've placed our sutures and there's no longer a hole there. The tendon has been repaired anatomically back to the bone.